Hello student, here we discuss about metallurgy. Leaching process we will discuss. Leaching process, here we will discuss about ore metallurgy. So gold ore plus Cn negative plus water in presence of air, it gives what is the product plus OH negative. And then we are dissolving this gold ore into KCN. Okay, KCN or NaCN. Here I have written ionic equation, and gold plus 8 Cn negative with impurities it has, and oxygen and water, 2 moles of water will get this soluble complex. This is diacyano or 81. Okay, plus 4 of OH negative. Now this soluble complex react with zinc and it will form ZnCN4 2 negative. Okay, and pure gold is obtained. So this is the main essence of the gold metallurgy. Remember this, write down 3 to 4 times so that it will be in your mind. I'm Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Dissolution of gold ore in the cyanide is known as cyanidation. Okay, dissolving gold using a dilute cyanide solution to form a soluble gold cyanide complex. This is called cyanide leaching process. Oxidizes gold in an alkaline solution. Here in 0 oxidation state, here +1 oxidation state. So in this way they are asking roasted gold ore gives you this. So at the time they are asking X and Y. X and Y, at that moment I will tell you that X, here I told you that AuCN2 is obtained. So option A is correct. Why? Because AuCN2 dicyano argentate 1, and here zinc tretacyano zincate. Zincate 2. Okay, this is tretacyano zincate 2. So this here coordination number of gold is 2. Here coordination number of zinc is 4. Here zinc is in +2 oxidation state, +2, and gold is in +1 oxidation state. The gold +1, zinc +2. See, this is just similar to silver extraction by leaching. Okay, here Ag2S zinc plus 8Cn plus S2 plus O2 is taken, and here silver argentate is obtained. Okay, silver argentate is obtained, and I have written complete equation. Here silver argentate I have written, then this react with zinc and will get zinc tretacyanozincate. Okay, in ionic form I have written. So both the reactions are just similar to each other. So remember this. If you will learn more, you will automatically you can do second one. Leaching process, it is why I am saying leaching, because this gold is only gold dissolved in KCN solution but not other impurities. Okay, so we can separate it out very easily, and when it is treated with zinc, it will give you a new complex. That is, I have written here tretacyanozincate plus pure gold is obtained. Again I will say gold plus Cn